have two programs. We start both with climate change, and we think on the one hand you can do so much in the building sector. On the other hand, the students learn about the problems in the financial and monetary system. What you could do there is also very, very important to fight climate change.
So what you learn during these years, during the years of your studies, will really influence how your attitude towards architecture and towards the world will be later on. So I think it's very important to use this part of life to really educate them.
Vienna is really far with the green building and a lot of passive houses. I think the most in the world. And we can go to the passive houses and see examples.
I'm just taking in all the lectures and all the different site visits we've seen here. I would just like to take that as inspiration to continue my studies and just build from that.
The biggest factor in this was just talking to the professors and figuring out how to work with our connections and understanding that it is a multi-residential building, that we need to get our fire rating and we need to have our protection of our wood layers. So having those resources there for us was very, very helpful.
We spent the last 4 days working on this hands-on workshop. We are two master painters and it's for architects. So the main aim of this project was for them to teach us how the real work is being done. It was really interesting for us to see how much time it takes and how difficult it may be to apply a single thing.
I definitely really liked the experience because I never did it before, and you actually learn so much of how to build the whole system and how hard it can be too as well.
I think people who should attend the summer school would be people who are eager to learn more about green buildings.
I think it's for everyone who's interested in this topic and sustainable buildings.
Sociologists, engineers, psychologists.
You're looking to specialise, I think it's worth coming to.
It's a memorable experience, I'll never forget it.
This year we have two summer universities with 100 students coming from 50 different countries from 5 continents. So it's from all over the world. That's great.
We all come from very different cultures and backgrounds, and regardless of where we are in the world, we're either in a heating or cooling dominated climate, so we're going to have to adjust our building no matter what.
Really a multicultural group, and it was really interesting to work together.
We have lectures from very, very different fields. So our partners are different universities and universities of applied sciences, but mainly from Austria. There are technical universities taking part because maybe they understand a little bit more about what we have to do.